Hello fellow freedom seekers and welcome to the very exciting episode. We live in a caravan full-time and access to the internet has always been a bit of a challenge. It depends on the location. It is a bit of hit and miss in rural locations in England. And when we moved on our current site, we discovered that the mobile signal is not so great and that we need a better solution to stay connected with the world. That's why we treated ourselves to It's always been our dream to have Starlink, but when we first moved into a motorhome back in 2018 and we began life on wheels, Starlink was out of our league. It was so expensive. These days you can get it for £35 a month and there are no contracts. It's a rolling thing from one month to another. You can change your plan very easily, and even better, there is a way of getting your first month for free. So if you are interested in that, keep watching and let's unbox this baby together. Are you ready? And have you given this video a like? Okay, hold your breath. Oh wow, oh my goodness, I can't believe. Okay, so that's the main piece of kit. And what else have we got here? Okay, idiot-proof setup instruction. Scan the QR code first. Connect your antenna, position it, and you're ready to go. Set up starlink.com. Okie dokie. This is a sign of the times we live in. An uber simple instruction, which looks like a cartoon, really. Okay. So we've got a cable. Router. That's a router, ladies and gents. Got power cable. What's this? Power supply. Okay. So we have our idiot-proof instruction. We've got the main antenna. Router, power supply, power cable, and that must be the internet cable. So just for a recap, ladies and gents, this is what we had in our box: a bulletproof and an idiot-proof instruction how to set up your kit, a beautiful space-like antenna all the way from SpaceX, the main thing, router, a really long cable connecting our antenna and router, power cable and power supply, and that's it. It feels fantastic to have this piece of technology under our caravan roof, and the fact that it doesn't break the budget and it's even cheaper than some mobile phone internet offers. This is pretty amazing. We did the speed test, of our internet this morning using our mobile phone provider network. The download was 10.2 and upload is pretty much non-existent. So we are super excited about having Starlink and finally being connected to the stable and super fast internet, because if we want to carry on with freedom seekers, uploading videos for you guys, we really need decent internet connection. And if you would like to take advantage of this Starlink offer, try it yourself. Make sure you use the link we share with you, our referral link, which will give both parties, for you and for us, all of us will get a month free of enjoying Starlink. So this is a pretty good offer. So don't be shy and use our referral link. So here is the router connected to the power already, and Marek connected the cable which goes from router to the antenna all the way outside, and the final thing would be to position the antenna. So let's see what he's doing outside. So Marek is using an app on his phone to find the best spot for our antenna. Yay! It's coming, it's loading. For those of us who remember the dial-up, yes, this is a pretty remarkable day. The whole setting up process took less than 5 minutes, probably. It's very self-explanatory, and once you've scanned your Starlink code, you just follow instructions on your phone and it's super easy. You can't go wrong, Marek said. It's not possible to connect the cables in the wrong way. So it's all singing and dancing in a matter of few minutes, and the speed is better than we expected. Marek just did the speed test on our page, and the download is 81 megabits per second and upload is 44 megabits per second. So it's a shocking difference comparing to what we've had with our mobile phone provider, with our internet from our mobile phones. This is amazing and we are just so happy. Marek is absolutely thrilled. So I think now I will probably not see him for a few days because he will be doing things online and uploading our videos in a matter of minutes, maybe even less than that. So we are super excited. If you have any questions about Starlink and our reasons why we chose it, we will probably do another review in a few weeks time, saying whether we are still happy, whether we would like to upgrade our plan. We may get some accessory because there is a special stand for the antenna. At the moment it's on the floor, it's just resting on the ground, but it is a delicate piece of kit, so I think we'll invest in a special stand for it. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and thank you so much for watching. Any questions, shoot in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. It's free and it helps us in a big way. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.